All right, we're back at Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House here with a one-bedroom DVC tour. Hey, it's Len. Walking into the living room, you got a dining room table with chairs. That couch converts into a bed. Got another chair, dresser, HD TV, coffee table. That balcony looks out onto the savannah. Kitchen with everything you need: stove, dishwasher, toaster, fridge, microwave. Making our way into the bedroom. Got another dresser in there, another HD TV, desk with chair, huge king-size bed. Look at that view. Whoa. There we got the washer dryer. Going into the bathroom, look at how big this is. Nice big shower with a little mural there for Lion King. Heard the water pressure is pretty good here. Bathtub with those jets. Feels real good after a long day in the theme park. We have the room with the toilet and a counter with plenty of counter space, some storage underneath, and a little ledge. Lighting seemed decent. Hey, Laurel. And finally, looking out onto the beautiful savannah view. I think I saw a giraffe there. Thank you for watching the video. Check out our channel for more Walt Disney World content and touringplans.com to save time and money in Walt Disney World.